Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete Facebook page posts all at once in Meta Business Suite. If you need to remove multiple posts from your Facebook page quickly, Meta Business Suite gives you a straightforward way to manage that in one place. In this walkthrough, we'll go from opening Meta Business Suite to selecting your posts and confirming deletion. As you follow along, take your time and make sure you're working on the correct page, since deleting posts is something you'll want to do carefully. Start by going to Meta Business Suite. Once the dashboard opens, you should be on the main home area for your business assets. This is where Meta centralizes tools for managing your Facebook and Instagram content, messages, and insights. If you manage more than one page, it's a good idea to quickly verify that the correct page is selected before moving forward. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Content. This section is where Meta Business Suite organizes your published and scheduled material, making it easier to review everything in one place. After opening Content, you'll be able to narrow in on the specific types of items you want to manage. From there, click on Posts and Reels. This will bring up the area that displays your published content. Here, you can review the posts currently listed for your page. This section is especially useful when you want to make bulk updates instead of opening and deleting each post one by one. Now click on the checkbox to select all posts. This is the key step that allows you to apply one action to multiple items at once. Before continuing, it's worth pausing for a moment to double check what has been selected. Bulk actions can save a lot of time, but they also affect everything you've highlighted, so a quick review can help prevent accidental deletions. Once your posts are selected, click Delete, and then click the confirmation when prompted. The confirmation step is there to make sure you really want to remove the selected posts, since this action may not be easy to reverse. After you confirm, Meta Business Suite will begin deleting the selected content from your page. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete Facebook page posts all at once in Meta Business Suite. If you're cleaning up older content, updating your page strategy, or preparing for a fresh start, this method can make the process much faster and easier.